This is exercise 2A, striding out. I'm going to show you the right hand chords. It's very important that you get the fingers right here so that you get a smooth join between the chords that need it. So we're starting, here's middle C, thumb on a D, 5 on the B flat. You play these as a chord and hold for 3 beats. Then your 4 and 2 are spare. 4 is going on the A flat, 2 is going on the F, so 2 has to tuck in slightly. Hold for 3 counts again. This time we hop down 1 notch, so you take your 4 and 2 off to E and E flat and G. Then you hold the 2 on and play the 3 on that black note, which is a G flat. Then we tuck 4 and 1 under. This is a bit squished on a D and an F. Then you've got your bunny ears spare for 3 on E, 2 on C sharp. Then we're off for 2 counts. Then this is a bit of a stretch, 2 on E flat, 4 on A, to 5 and 1 on the B flat and the D. Okay, I'm going to play all of this again. I'm going to say the finger numbers. 5 and 1, 4 and 2, hop, 4 and 2, hold the 2, 3 on the G flat, 4 and 1, bunny ears 3 and 2, off for 2 counts,